Effect of dielectric medium on capacitor. As you know that capacitor is a device which is used to store electrical energy, or in mechanics we can say that capacitor is a device which is used to store mechanical energy. So firstly we will discuss about effect of dielectric medium on capacitor. As experimentally Michael Faraday found that when dielectric medium of constant K is introduced between plates of capacitor, its capacitance is increased by K times. So suppose this is the capacitance of medium and it increased by K times. As we know that potential 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R. For any medium, V is equals to, for dielectric medium we can write as 4 pi 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught K Q over R. This is for medium. So medium will be V upon K. As we have C is equals to Q over V. So in presence of medium, C is equals to Q upon V in medium. So we will put the value of V medium is equals to V upon K. So capacitance in medium Q upon V upon K, or mathematically we can write as into K. So C medium is equals to K, or this goes to C. Combination of capacitor. Combination of capacitor are two types: series combination and other is parallel combination, or we can say that series connection of capacitor or parallel connection of capacitor. So firstly we will discuss series connection. Of capacitor. Consider two capacitance C1 and C2, and these are connected in series. So the symbol of capacitor, as you know, this, and for variable capacitor the symbol is this. This is for variable. So for series connection we are taking two capacitor. This is C1 and other is C2. This is minus Q, plus Q and minus Q. And this is a switch and it is battery. Suppose this is the connection of series. So this is put for C1, this is potential difference is V1, and for C2 potential difference is V2, and this is a switch. So current is flowing in this capacitor. Here is charge. In series all the capacitor must have same charge and same potential. So V will be V1 plus V2. This is in series, so Q1 is equals to Q2, and as we know C is equals to Q upon V, so Q will be CV. So we can write as for Q1 C1 V1 is equals to C2 V2. If C is the equivalent capacitor, we can show like this. C is the equivalent capacitor. as V is equals to V1 plus V2. So from equation 1 we can write as V Q upon C is equals to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2, because capacitance is same in this circuit, so charge is same. So we can write as 1 over C is equals to 1 over C1 plus 1 upon C2. This is the series connection, or we can write as C is equals to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. As charge delivered from the source means Q is equals to CV. So as we have C is equals to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. So Q will be C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 V. Parallel connection. For parallel connection, this is a capacitor C1 Q1 and plus Q1 and minus Q. Suppose another capacitor C2 is connect parallel. So here is also charge plus Q2 and here is minus Q2. And this is connected from a DC source or direct source, or we can say battery V. Potential is V, and here is Q charges flow. So in parallel connection, Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2, as we know that Q is equals to CV. So Q1 is equals to C1V, because potential is V here, and Q2 is equals to C2V. So put these value CV C1V plus C2V C1 plus C2. So C is equals to C1 plus C2. Spherical capacitor. A spherical capacitor consists of two spherical conducting shells placed concentrically. One spherical shell is earthed. Suppose this is a spherical shell, conducting spherical shell. It is earthed. And other is used to store charge. And other shell is, suppose this is other shell which is used to store charge. So A and B, suppose this is A and this is B. These are two spherical conducting shells. Small a and small b. These are two respective radii. Plus q charge and plus q charge is given to inner shell A, or minus q being induced on inner surface of shell B. Outer surface is earthed. So potential difference will be V is equals to V1 minus difference. V is equals to V1 minus V2. Suppose V1 is the potential of inner spherical conductor, or this one for outer spherical conductor. Suppose V2 goes to 0 because it is earthed. So V2 goes to 0. So as V is equals to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, and this radius is R. So charge is Q, radius is A, and other charge is negative. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon radius is B up to the outer conducting shell. So we can write as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q 1 upon A minus 1 upon B, or Q over 4 pi epsilon naught B minus A upon AB, because this is spherical shell plus Q charge given to the inner shell and minus is given to the outer shell. As C is equals to Q upon V, so we will put the value of V. C is equals to Q upon Q over 4 pi epsilon naught B minus A over AB. So C will be 4 pi epsilon naught AB over B minus